about this thing. Someone had tweeted about this thing saying that cool, we embrace the fact that change is inevitable, and maybe TikTok is the new change because younger demographic people are liking it. But they said that there's one logical mistake that TikTok is very evidently making, and that was that, right now, if we look back at Bollywood 10 years back, everyone has one complaint that Bollywood gave a wrong definition of what love is meant to be, what romance is meant to be. Like they overhyped the thing that, okay, you meet a girl, you fall in love, and that's how it is done. And that's why we as a generation completely growing up thinking like that, that okay, this is love, this is love. You see a girl, you fall in love. Right now, people very with very logic, they question that fact that this is not possible. This betrays logic. To actually fall in genuine love, you need to meet the person, you need to at least have a friendship of
Spend time.
you need to spend time. Yeah, that's when you fall in love. Now what people are saying is TikTok is doing the same mistake what Bollywood did 10 years back. Like they are putting love and romance on a pedestal only for the reason because 60 to 70% of all the TikTok content that you see is about the same thing, like fantasizing about love, fantasizing about heartbreak, romance, and all. So they are doing the same thing what Bollywood did 10 years back, and that is a major problem which many people are having with TikTok. That why are you putting love, heartbreak, rejections, and all on a pedestal that every third video of yours says the same thing?
I'm not sure if I have not actually heard or read about that argument yet.
Okay.
But to think about it, I mean, ever since romance has been the most popular form of art,
Okay.
if you see paintings, if you see theater, what has William Shakespeare written about? Why was William Shakespeare popular? I mean, Romeo and Juliet is the epic of all love stories that you can
Yeah.
so I don't think I'm capable of answering this question correctly because I'm not really given it a thought or not really read a lot about it. But to think about it, I mean, even today, most of our Bollywood movies have a love angle to it.
Yeah.
Um, Perhaps that is how we are programmed. Perhaps that is how we've always perceived life as. Perhaps that is all that is when we see the opposite gender. कि इसके साथ हम कैसे रिश्ता कर सकते हैं कैसे I don't know, I'm not sure, but and I don't even know if TikTok contains a lot of content which is romance based or love based.
Yeah.
पर शायद वो it is easier for people to relate. Maybe that is why. Maybe that is why it is so popular because all of us have had at least one crush in our lives. All
Yeah.
of us have had at least one heartbreak in our lives.
Yeah.
And if I talk about that, then that is more relatable.
Yeah.
If I talk about a bike getting stolen, then I don't think there'll be everyone who can relate to it. But if
Yeah.
I say my girlfriend ditched me, or if I say that my best friend started liking my girlfriend, then a lot of people will relate to it because it has happened to a lot of people.
Understood. So,
So maybe that is why
yeah.
love is a common content.
Understood.